Hello everybody, this is Roger from Roger's Reviews. Today we're going to be going over True Back, which is a non-powered orthopedic traction device. Basically what you do is just lay it down and you lay on top of it. It kind of stretches your back out. And I've had these for a couple years. I gave a couple away to my friends and family and they seem to like them. You can actually lay it on in a couple different ways. I start out in this direction, and basically you just, after a long day, or in the morning, you just want to relax. Just kind of lay on this, and then just, what I do is, put all my weight on it. Sometimes you'll feel your back adjust, and you can just lay back and relax, stretch out. And then what I like to do is cross my arms and then squeeze and then kind of do a sit up. You can also raise your hips up and kind of rock on it. Alright. My back just popped. Feels good. Okay, then you can turn it around and work on your lower back. Do the same thing. Just want to be careful. When you sit on it, you don't want to jump on it. You just want to kind of slowly rest your body on it. Lean back. Stretch out. Just feels really good. It kind of just lets your body separate. Lets all the vertebrae kind of get a little relaxation. I usually lay on it a little bit longer, but then same thing, hold your hands together, come up, kind of do like a little crunch. There you go. You can spend a few more minutes on it, whatever you're comfortable with. I like to just lay on it for maybe a minute or two, let my back adjust, and then I come out of it. If you have more time or if it feels good, I'm sure you can do a few more minutes. Again, this is the True Back. Let's see, to order, you can call 1-888-999-8109 or www.trueback.com. They're about 30 or 40 bucks. So, but I started using another device, which is over here. This kind of does something similar. This is the Skills trainer roller, and it says sports performance, powered by Athletes Performance, and it shows you different exercises on here you can do, but I mainly use it for just the back roll my back up and down on it, mid to upper back, and kind of works in the same way. Just lay it down and then slowly roll over it. I put it on my lower back, and then I kind of just roll over top. Use your elbows to kind of position it. Same thing, kind of just let your body weight roll back and forth. And sometimes I'll even just kick it back and then just rest my neck on it and stretch back. I feel so good. But there's so many exercises you can do with this. You can do your legs, your arms. This one just seems the most relaxing to me. And sometimes I'll get a back adjustment out of this as well. And it's massages your back at the same time. feels much better. Alrighty, and again, I'm going to go over this again. This is the trainer roller, sports endurance, and there isn't a number on here or anything, but you can get these at most of your athletic supply stores. I got this one at the Orange Park Mall, and most of your athletic training stores and stuff will have different versions of this. I just like this one because it was a little more firm, and it looked like it was just held together a little better than the other ones. Maybe last a little longer, and you get cheaper ones too. This one's probably like 10 or 15. You can get them, you know, really cheap, like $5. And like I said, a lot of people that buy equipment, they usually end up selling them at a garage sale or Play It Again Sports used equipment. You can get this stuff very reasonably and for new, so the used price is even cheaper. So just if you want one, keep your eyes open at a garage sale, or you can order them online. You shouldn't spend more than $20. Again, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. If you like this video, please crush the like button and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you more workout equipment and other reviews on products you use every day. Thank you. God bless.